How to use MEXC and MEXC global yield mining. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to use MEXC on MEXC global for yield mining. So for that case, what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and first of all you need to install the app. So head over to your Play Store and on the search box type in MEXC global app. When you locate the following application, click the install button and wait for the application to be installed. After you're done completely installing the app, then you need to go ahead and create an account, and you also need to verify your email and complete the KYC verification. As you've done that, you need to deposit the cryptocurrency. Then moving on the next step, you need to go to the asset section in the app, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit and follow the instructions to transfer from the external wallet to exchange. On the other field, you need to navigate to the Earn section in the app, select the MEXC from the list of available options, available yield mining pools, and select the pool as well as stake your cryptocurrencies. And you need to confirm your participations. Now you need to track your yield mining rewards, and you could also go ahead and withdraw your rewards. As you've done that, and transfer your unstake asset back to your main wallet or to another external wallet if needed. Now by following the steps, you can successfully participate in yield mining using MEXC on MEXC Global. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.